Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Nishimoto Elementary School, home of the Hawks in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District. And my first visit to this school, and just a beautiful morning, afternoon, and soon to be evening. We had 3 separate assemblies for grades K through 6. And that focused on bullying, looking at someone's heart first before anything else, treating someone like you treat your best friend. This evening we have a parent program focused on social media and cyberbullying. So very important topics all around, and everybody has really responded up until now, and I've been very blessed and just very happy that I was able to come and share my heart here on campus. And what was so great is the feedback from the students and from the teachers. It was just that what I shared had really touched their heart. And I said, if it did, that means you have a big heart, and now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. Because a big lesson that I push, a part of these presentations, is that hurt people hurt people. One of the biggest reasons that bullying happens, right? It's easy to push that hurt on someone else and that pain on someone else. It's hard to forgive, but we need to, right? That's the right thing to do, is to rise above that hate and just be able to show love still. So we turn that hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? And so through a series of emotional stories and inspirational videos, positive music, that's how I was able to relate to everyone today. And we really try to reinforce, not just seeing someone for their heart before anything else, but also for this too. Like it says on the front of my shirt and on the palm of my hand, we all have, with the lines on our hand, the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it, right? But we have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here, and that M stands for Madera. No, I'm kidding. It stands for miracle, right? Upside down W stands for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And once we buy into that and believe that, now we can go out and start to change this world. And we know that we can really uplift someone else in just a couple of seconds, or tear them down in the same amount of time. We know that we have to be all in for this earth. And so our heart is big as our fist. I always say that, if we let love, peace, compassion, empathy, inclusion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, but it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one comment, one DM, one text, whatever it is, we can say something so nice that stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or conversely, we can say something so destructive that it stays on their heart in a negative way forever. And so that really tied into what their school mantra and mission is here at Nishimoto. They always say that they want to soar, right? So S, show respect; O, offer kindness; A, act responsibly; and R, ready to learn. But this principal focus today, really tied into their offering of kindness, to them showing respect for self and others, and really acting responsibly, right? That's how we start to really change this world, by first changing ourselves, and then going and, being that best friend to people around us, right? Seeing their worth, seeing their value, believing in our own worth, our own value, and knowing that we have the power to maybe change a life forever, sometimes even save a life. And that's really what hit home today for everybody that I got to speak to, and can't wait to talk with the parents tonight about the other very important issues that keep changing daily. But the biggest thing that we want to take away, especially as it relates to social media, is knowing that even though we have so many followers and friends, we can still feel alone. So it's important to have those heart-to-heart connections, those in-person relationships, and you can feel that community centeredness here at Nishimoto, and it's going to continue on even past my visit today. So thank you all again for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation, and you can visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this, to visit my website and track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.